In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Etoro for beginners. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of investing but felt overwhelmed by the options, then this tutorial is for you. Etoro is a popular platform that simplifies the process of trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs all in one powerful app. Let's walk through the steps to get you started. First, you'll need to visit Etoro's official website. You can do this by typing etoro.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, take a moment to explore its features. Etoro is well known for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal for newcomers. You'll find various resources aimed at helping you learn the ropes of investing. Next, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it. If you already have an account, you'll enter your credentials here. If not, you'll need to sign up, a process which typically involves providing your email address, choosing a password, and verifying your information through a confirmation email. Remember to create a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. The Etoro home screen is your primary hub for all things investing. Here you can find market trends, recent news, and your own portfolio analytics. Before diving into any investment, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as it will be the main tool in managing your investments. An essential step is verifying your account. This process is pivotal not only for security reasons, but also to comply with financial regulations. Verification usually involves uploading documents such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensuring your account is verified protects you and allows you greater freedom on the platform, such as higher withdrawal limits. With your account verified, you're almost ready to start investing. But first, you'll need to deposit funds. Click on the Deposit Funds option, which is typically prominently displayed. Etoro provides multiple payment options, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and various e-wallets. Choose the most convenient method for you, and ensure you deposit an amount you're comfortable with. Remember, investing always involves risks, so it's advisable to start with a sum you're willing to lose. With funds now in your account, you're ready to explore the investment opportunities Etoro offers. Whether you're interested in trading stocks, investing in cryptocurrencies, or diversifying with ETFs, Etoro provides tools and tutorials to guide your journey. Congratulations on setting up your Etoro account. Investing can be a rewarding experience, and now that you're equipped with the basics, you can start exploring further. Remember, continued learning is key in investing, so keep exploring, stay informed, and make informed decisions. Happy investing!